Hey guys, and welcome to Forge Studio. Just going to go over a few changes. You'll notice a name change. We were Mold Forge, now we are Forge Studio because Mold Forge with a D was an adult toy website, I believe. So we had to then change the name, and we've grown well beyond molds, as you can see. So a name change was in order. So I do have my 4-year-old next to me playing her iPad, so there will be noises from that, and I'll try and keep them limited. But I can only do what I can do with a 4-year-old. But today I wanted to go over the Accessories Plus menu with you. So we do have accessories, bath accessories. So we're going to go to accessories, and under accessories we've got an Accessories Plus tab. And Accessories Plus has another drop down menu, which that one is going to be moved here, and this here will come down here. So with Accessories Plus, anything that is extruded in this window will take effect in every window of the Accessories Plus selection. I need to change these numbers because they are just there's way too many. I mean, we're not going to go to minus 100. So we still have the same as the molds where we can click on each item and then we can add an offset. And that is always defaulted at 2 millimeters, which is way too much. Almost reached. Try harder. And apply shape changes. Oops, bless you. So after you do an apply change, it does get a little bit laggy just for a second. It's like it takes a while for everything to sort of kick in, and once that does, you can kind of move it around and do what you need to do. Come on. Right. So then we go back up here, and right now under our attachments we have none. There is no attachment on here. I need it to default to the middle, and I'm in the process of fixing that. So we can change it to bookmark, and bookmark will already be defaulted as a whole. So if you want to add a tassel to the bookmark, one thing I need to do is be able to have the hole and the insert. I don't know why that's not an option, but it needs to be an option. You can make the hole bigger, smaller, move it wherever you want. And then if you end up changing your mind and you wanted to add an insert instead of a hole, you get this little drop-down tab. Now, when you move the hole, it's actually moving this flatbed rather than this item here. So if I go left, the item goes right. If I go right, it goes left because it's actually moving the bed instead. I don't know why, but that's something I need to work on. But middle is middle, up is up, down is down. So you can just place that wherever you want to. Again, it's slow whenever you make that first change, and that is now joined onto your design. So then after bookmark, we have charm loop. Now, I'm not doing a tutorial on everything. I'm just showing you the changes. So charm loop obviously needs to be changed to the top here. You can change the size, the thickness, and I hate how slow this is after you make a change. It's making me crazy. Loop thickness, let's go 6 mil, and you can change the size by here. Obviously, that's way too big, but that just gives you the gist of it. So then we have, after charm loop, we have wine glass marker, which I'm still working on. It's basically just a placeholder at the moment where it will have a hole in it so you can stick it on a wine glass if you want to write Happy Hens Night or things like that. Vent clip. Anyone who's ever bought from me my STL files knows about my car freshener vent clips. So you can just move this purple anywhere, and that is set to the correct size of my vent clips. When you export it, you can export the backing plate as well, and there will be two options, one with holes and one without. I haven't uploaded the one with the holes yet, so that's just the plain back pin. So then we have magnet pockets. With the magnet pockets, place the magnet pocket wherever you want it, and then on the back it will have a hole when it wants to update. It will have a hole. I can't move it yet. It will have a hole for the magnet, and you can change the size. And once you click here, add magnet pocket, it will then create another magnet hole for you to move around in case you want multiple magnets. Then we have paper clip. So, oops, the paper clip. Come on, scroll in. Right, the paper clip, again, like the bookmark, when you move it left, it goes right, and when you move it right, it goes left. And you can change the size of the cloud to be thicker so that the paper clip is smaller than the shape you have. After the paper clip, we have stick stirrers. The stick stirrer, you can change the length of the stick up to 150 millimeters and as short as 40 millimeters. And then we have cocktail pick. So you can have that small stick width, stick length. There we go. We can go up to 150 millimeters, not that you want to. And then pretty much the same as the plant marker. So we have a food pick, which I need to edit that file. I don't know, it uploaded wrong. It looks so silly, but it uploaded wrong. It's supposed to have 2 prongs sticking out there, and then you can change it to 3 prongs. But as again, 3 prongs will be almost like a fork. I don't know what's going on here. Sometimes when you upload files, it's a bit glitchy. So then after that, we have the plant marker. So with that, it's pretty much the same as I said, it's pretty much the same as the cocktail pick. Where is that length? Here we go. I'm going to make it so you can write along the stem if you want to write like basil or whatever you want to write. So yeah, so that's pretty much all we've got so far under the accessories plus. If you can think of anything else that we could just, you know, add to an already extruded STL, let me know. Anyway, guys, look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Bye.